Yung 10 bus na pinambili dyan, pera ng Davao. Davao City Interim Bus Project is funded by Davao City. Davao Bus Project is the one that is funded by the national government. Hindi nga ibinigay sa Davao, iniipit nga. So they want to make it appear na kineri ng national government yung burden para magkaroon ng 10 bus ang Davao City, which is untrue. So no, you did not pay for the 10 buses ng Davao Interim Bus Project. Davaoeños paid for it. Kasi hindi nakarating sa Davao City ang 73 billion na yan. You would not be able to erase the fact that the 10 buses ay binili ni Mayor Baste Duterte gamit ang Davao City money. The Davao Interim Bus Project, I think, is one of the major legacy of Mayor Baste. Kasi nanapan niya talaga ng paraan yan eh. So all out sila dun sa pag-ruin, dun sa discarding ginawa ni Mayor Baste sa Davao City.
Now we have the Davao bus. These are only 10 buses. This is not the entire project. So it's supposed to be funded by the national government. But we cannot wait for that to happen since I think the national administration has other priorities as of now. So wala kay nila mapundok eh. But as you all know, Davao City is debt-free until now. So wala tayo utang. Maunang kaya nato mo gasto, mo palit ta og mga ingon ani nga sakyanan para sa inyo ha. Ato aman eh. So ako hangyo lang ang pinga nato ni siya. Nailhan ang mga Davaoenyo nga mga limpyado ng mga tao og responsable. So kana sa paggamit sa ato ang mga pampubliko ng mga sakyanan adto po ng buhaton. We will behave as expected of us. So mao gyud ako ang hangyo lang sa inyo ha. Dili na to dauton atong mga gamit. So ang tibuok project is moabot na siya og 70 billion. So medyo dako na siya. And unfortunately, the national government is not supporting us sa ing-aning nato nga kagustuhan. Pero I think and I believe, we believe that the Davaoenyo is ready to move forward. So mana diri sa tibuok Pilipinas, if I'm not mistaken, kita sa mga pinakauna, if not kita lang, ang ni-invest og ingon ani for public transportation. So congratulations to you mga Davaoenyo.
So ito yung claim nila dun sa Davao Bus Project. Kasi noong December 5, operational na yung Davao Interim Bus Project. So ang sinasabi nila is yung 73 billion Davao Bus Project, kiniklaim ng Davao City na project nila yan. Which is not true. Okay? The Davao City Bus Project is a national project. So may pondo siya. May pondo siya. Supposedly, may budget. Hindi nga pinondohan ng national government yung Davao City Bus Project. So ngayon, ang presyo nitong Davao City Bus Project is 73 billion. Magkano nilabas ng national government? Wale, Maris Hidalgo at mga kasama mong tropang mga kasimbobo mo, makinig kayo. So yung Davao City Bus Project is a national government project na hindi pinopondohan. So ngayon, ang claim nila is, itong Davao City, ang kiniklaim daw ng Davao City na project ng Davao City yung Davao City Bus Project. No, it is a national project na ang budget dapat ay 73 billion. Anong nangyari? Hindi yan pinopondohan ng national government. So ngayon, yung mga Davaoenyo, nga. Okay? Yung mga Davaoenyo, nga. Kasi ayaw niyong bigyan. Ayaw pondohan ng national government ang Davao City Bus Project. So ngayon, ang claim nitong mga tangang to, sinasabi nila, ano to, cut and paste lang tong ano na to, makikita nyo to everywhere, kina-cut and paste lang nila tong post na ito. Let's get to the record straight in plain terms. About 71% of the money came from foreign loans via Asian Development Bank and its co-financier. About 27% came from the Philippine National Government. Davao City's contribution, roughly 2%. Okay, idiots. If you are saying 71% came from Asian Development Bank and 27% came from the Philippine government, asan yung pera, mga putang ina nyo? Asan yung pera? Ilabas ninyo, mga putang ina ninyo! Kung galing sa ADB yan, at galing sa national government yan, saan? Davao City's contribution, 2%. Ang contribution dito, okay, ng Davao City is ito. National government, hindi pinondohan ang Davao City Bus Project. So ngayon, ang sabi ng Davao City, since ayaw niyong pondohan yung Davao City Bus Project, we are going to buy buses on our own. Ang kaya ng Davao City na ilabas na pera is almost 100 million pesos. Bumili sila ng 10 buses that is supposed to be a part of the national project na hindi nyo pinopondohan, hindi pinopondohan ng national government. Yung 100 million ang naglabas Davao City so that they are going to have their own bus na hindi dependent dun sa Davao City Bus Project. So that is why yung 10 bus na yan, ang tawag dyan ay Davao City Interim Bus System. Do not forget the interim. Davao City Interim Bus System. Okay? Bumili ang Davao City ng sarili nilang bus at itong bus na ito ay nakaabang kung kailan trip ng national government na pondohan yung Davao City Bus Project, which is the national project. So ngayon, yung sinasabi, let's get the record straight in plain terms, about 71%, about 27%, ilabas niyo yung pera, nasaan? Asan yung pera? May original poster kasi to parang Mark Ian something, ganon. Mark Ian something yung original na nag-post niyan. Pagkatapos viral. So ngayon, kina-cut and paste nila yung ganitong klaseng narrative na maraming loophole. And they do not understand specifically which project refers to which project. Ang project ng Davao na pinondohan nila is the Davao Interim Bus Project. That is the project na binili, na pinondohan ng Davao City on their own. Yung project na yan, take note, interim. Kasi nakaabang yan doon sa national project na Davao City Bus Project. Yan yung national project. Ngayon, yung sinasabi nyo dito na manggagaling sa Asian Development Bank, pagkatapos yung iba manggagaling sa Philippine government, that didn't happen. Hindi siya pinondohan. In plain English, Manila borrowed the money, the whole country repays the debt. Asan nga yung pera, mga putang ina nyo? Pagkatapos, i-guilt trip nyo yung mga tao na kunwari, nakautang na kayo, na ilabas na yung 73 billion, manggi-guilt trip kayo na pinondohan na sa national government, asan nga yung mga pera, mga putang ina ninyo, ba't hindi nakarating sa Davao? Itong Davao Interim Bus Project na ito, yung 10 bus na pinambili dyan, pera ng Davao. So 100 million lang yan. Tama kayo, 2% lang yan ang total cost ng entire project. Because the entire project cost 73 billion. So asan yung 73 billion, 72 billion, 900 million pesos? Sabi ni Dare to Ask, Joey, I have posted several times about the DTMP in 2024. May proposed budget na 1 billion pero ginawang zero sa Congress. In 2025, may proposed budget na 1.9 billion but 294 lang ang approve. And they're still trying to make ipit of that. So ngayon, kung sinasabi nyo, nakapangutang na ng 73 billion at napondohan na, yung 27% napondohan na ng Philippine National Government, asan yung pera? Ba't hindi nakarating sa Davao City, mga putang ina nyo? Paulit-ulit kayo dyan sa kabobohan ninyo. So basically, ang hindi totoo dyan is, we're not talking about the same project here. Davao City Interim Bus Project is funded by Davao City. Davao Bus Project is the one that is funded by the national government. Pangalawa, hindi bumaba sa Davao City ang 73 billion na pera na yan. Asaan yan? Pangatlo, yung statement na Davao City only rides the project, it does not carry the loan. Yeah. Because Davao City is not supposed to want to undertake the loan, mga idiot. It is the national government. So where is the loan? Saan napunta yung proceeds ng loan? It's not ownership, that's a token seat at the table while foreign lenders and Filipino taxpayer carry the real weight. Again, where's the money? Where is the money? So when Mayor Bastes says it's by Davao, the truth quietly laugh in the background. There's no truth in this post. This post is an utter lie. Kasinungalingan, kabubohan, katangahan. Ikaw naman, Maris Hidalgo, kung sino ka naman, isa kang malaking tanga. I have to address this kasi pinapa-viral nila to Pinapa-viral nila to Yung Bastes shove it. Yan. So they want to make it appear na kineri ng national government yung burden para magkaroon ng 10 bus ang Davao City, which is untrue. Kung totoo yung sinasabi ninyo na nakapangutang na sa ADB ng 71%, ng, ng 73 billion pesos para sa Davao Bus Project. Asan yung pera? At kung sinasabi nyo na naglabas na ng 27% ang national government para sa Davao Bus Project, asan yung pera? You would not be able to erase the fact that the 10 buses ay binili ni Mayor Baste Duterte gamit ang Davao City money. So this is something that has to be settled, ano? Kasi ang daming tanga eh. Ayan, paano tinatry nila na maniobrehin pati ang project sa Davao? So yun, parang to say na kineri ng ano, well, the national government, the Filipino people are going to carry the 73 billion. Kung totoo na loan na yan, at kung totoo na naglabas ang national government ng 27% ng 73 billion, ikikerry talaga yan ng buong Pilipinas. Ang tanong, inilabas ba? Ibinigay ba sa Davao? Hindi nga ibinigay sa Davao, iniipit nga. So no, you did not pay for the 10 buses ng Davao Interim Bus Project. Davaoeños paid for it. Kasi hindi nakarating sa Davao City ang 73 billion na yan. Maraming mga trolls ngayon na nagsasabing kay BBM Project daw ang Bocana Bridge. Yeah, they are really trying to to twist the narrative. And even itong interim the Davao Interim Bus Project, I think is one of the major legacy of Mayor Baste. Kasi hinanapan niya talaga ng paraan yan eh. So all out sila dun sa pag-ruin, dun sa discarding ginawa ni Mayor Baste sa Davao City, to make it appear na nakikisakay siya dun sa national project. Yung national project nga, hindi gumagalaw. So nagkaroon na ng initiative ang Davao City na putang ina ninyo, kung di nyo kami bibilan ng bus, kami ang bibili ng sarili namin bus. Okay? So yun yun.